So this is exactly how to transfer lots of items between bases in Palworld. So this is how I like to do it. So basically, when I'm going to transfer lots of items between my bases in Palworld, I often go to options here, and then I just going to return to the home screen here on the Palworld game, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why. So now I'm going to click on Start Game here, and then on the world that I was playing at here, I'm just going to click on it and then click on Change World Settings. Then we're going to click on Custom Settings, and we're gonna scroll down until we can see the item weight right here. As you can see, I'm just gonna set it to 0 even at this time, because basically you can always change it back later on, by the way, when you're done with transferring items between bases. But the reason why we need to do this, if you set it to 0, you will never feel that any item is too heavy and it's gonna slow you down. You can basically carry as much as possible in terms of weight bands, which is pretty awesome. So now you can see I'm back to my base here. So I'm just going to show you, just going to go here. And now you can basically take whatever here, as you can see that you want to be able to take. So let's, oh, sorry, I was looking the wrong way, of course. So here, of course, so you can take anything. You will not feel, you can see the weight in the bottom left corner doesn't go up. So yeah, you can carry as much as possible and then just come here and click on fast travel and then fast travel to your new base. And basically that is exactly how to do this.